Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for some new content for you guys that you guys have been asking about. So let's get, wait, do you guys hear that? Little Ott, is that you? Little Ott, what's your passcode? All right, I'll just use your emergency contacts.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You don't have your emergency contact set up properly in the health app. I can't get in. Little Ott, you need to learn how to set up your emergency contacts the proper way so you can avoid issues when you need them. All right, let's get Little Ott fixed up and we'll meet you back inside. Hey guys, welcome back. Little Ott, he's still a little upset from earlier, but he's getting better. We don't want that same situation happening to you. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to set up your emergency contact. Let's get into it. There are a few reasons why you'd wanna set up your emergency contact on your iPhone. The first reason is you want to allow emergency responders easy access to information about you, as well as having your emergency contacts listed so they can easily call them on your behalf if needed. This is especially important if you have certain medical conditions or take certain medications or have allergies to medications that you need medical responders to be aware of. So that way, when they first look at it, they know, oh, this person cannot have this or can have this. So it would be really helpful to be giving you the right type of care that you need if you're not able to respond to them. Another reason to set up your emergency contacts is if your phone is ever lost and someone that finds it would like to call one of your emergency contacts, they would be able to. Otherwise, they have to wait around for someone to call your phone and then be by your phone to be able to answer it. So it gives a lot better chance of a lost phone being returned. It's actually happened to me a couple times. I found a phone once out at the bar and was able to call them their emergency contact. And then I was on a trip with a friend in Chicago and we did the same thing. So you definitely want that feature on. It comes in handy when needed. All right, so we talked about some reasons why it's important to set up that feature. Now let's show you how easy it is to actually set it up. So get on your iPhone and let's go into the Health app. Find the Health app, it looks like this. Click on it. And when you click on Summary in the bottom left corner, then in the top right corner, you can click on your profile icon. Then you will see an option say Medical ID. Click on Medical ID, and this is where you put in your emergency contact information that can be accessed even if emergency services need your phone and they don't have your passcode. So click on Edit in the top right corner, and here is where you can fill out all those details, things such as your blood type, if you're an organ donor, and then here is where you can click and add your emergency contacts. And then you would choose each contact that you would like to save and access in here. And then you would want to scroll down and see where it says emergency access, show when locked, and share during an emergency call. I would highly recommend turning both of those on so that way this information can be accessed by emergency services or someone helping you in emergency. And then when you're all done, click on Done in the top right corner, and now all of your information will be available when needed. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you in the future videos. Thanks.